Welcome to Driven by Me and this is and today I will continue something. Oh, stream element. I need to block him. I will test the chat. I will need to remove the French accent, and she's doubled, so I need to remove one. Why is she doubled? I guess the lamb, no. Why is she doubled? Like, I don't need her to say this 2 times. I will put Ivy. Let's see. Wow, it's getting worse. Oh, damn it. Penelope, Victoria. So why is she doubled? Maybe I need to remove the custom ducks. This one. Both. And now in my chat, test type. Wow. Chantal, Matthew, Ivy, Lucia. I don't remember which one sounds good. Good. Nope. Which voice is the better? Not Microsoft. Google Translate. Microsoft Mary. My name is Mary. I hate this voice. Wash. Mads. What a name. My name is Mads. Damn, this one was hard. Mihentusis. Lucia. Matthew, Sally. Let's try Sally. She's some kind of fine. Ravina. Oh. Ravina Purti. Ravina Patel. Mia. I think it's will have a heavy accent. Yeah. I will go back to which one was the good one? Leah? Sally? Sally was fine. fine. Okay, I can skip it. Okay, now today I want to do with you UI because I was cleaning all the U assets I had in. At fall, I fell upon an asset, this one, and it's just the borders. I like it. It's simple. It's good looking, simple. So I want to do the border, and in UMG, and to replace my panel, my old panel there. But yeah, no, it's not the old panel. It's one of the UI. Okay, so I will do the UMG. I was following a tutorial right now. If you want to check, it's this one: create great scalable UI using 9 slice Unreal Engine 5 by Leaf Branch Games, which I'm subscribed. Fell upon him, and I'm already subscribed. Okay. I forgot to mention, if you want the UI I got, it's not free. I bought it a long time ago. It's fantasy UI border from Kenny Game Assets, and this one, try to find I bought it on itch.io. No, this one is an older I bought. Let's search in my emails. Kenny. I think it's not like it's not very high. Maybe I bought it in I'm not in my my browser. I should watch this from here. Let's search Kenny. Kenny. I lost my my copying. Okay, it's this one. I found it. It's a bundle. It's I bought it on sale, so it was really low, like $5. So sometimes it can get lower, and there's a lot of stuff for game and commercial game. So you can follow this somewhere and get notified when there's probably something like that. But I was in itch. I got it on itch.io. So if you want what I have, it's one of those. It's one, yeah, this. But it's all of this is inside the package. All of there's many stuff. I'm not like very good at UI, but I knew what to search for, what I want to do.
Well, if we take, for example, our image here again, and let's say that we stretch it vertically a lot, like this. If we instead would have had, let's actually do this so I can display here. So if we instead had our original UI element split in such a way that our one slice would be up here, our top slice, that means that this bar would not be stretched like this one would have been, because, let's demonstrate this. If we were to have something like this, now we're just considering the three vertical slices. So we keep this part stationary, and this part is the one that stretches. So in this case, the bottom here would not be stretched like this, it would look like this, and the top bar here of the frame would not be stretched, it would be looking like this. Now, this also applies for the horizontal, so if we were to have our bar over here, maybe not so, maybe like something a little bit further to the right, and we were to take this image here, of course now I need to take another one to show how that would look. We can see that the side parts are getting stretched, but we don't want to have, they want to be uniform regardless of the size of the UI element. So by squaring it off like this with our 9 slice, this part would be the same size regardless of what size we had horizontal, and this size would be the same size regardless of horizontal, and this part over here would be stretched, in this case horizontally, along with this one. So this is the part that's dynamic when it comes to the horizontal and vertical. This part here is the one that's dynamic when it comes to stretching horizontal. It won't be affected vertical because we have it as part of this bottom slice. And the top part here is the one that would be stationary for verticality, but horizontally it would be stretched. The ones on the sides, as opposed to that, would be dynamically stretched when we did a vertical change, like over here, but we wouldn't be noticing it because the width is the same. But when we expand something sideways, horizontal, they would remain the same and they would look nice. So to demonstrate this in Unreal Engine, how to achieve this, and also what it would look like, we
think there is something special there in Epic fab.com. You would have the new limited time free, so as usual you would go and pick the professional, don't forget about it, and then add to cart. That way we can check at the end and accept. It's in the cart, and there is a sale as I said in there. Spring sale 70% something. so you might find, I doubt there is a UI in there. Usually it's more than that. There might be UI stuff, but I doubt it. There are texture sets, but as you can see, it doesn't seem to let us search for UI. Oh, here are the cells. You could like do price IS priced. This one dropped. That's very expensive. Brushify and Brushify. Don't know what it is. $600. Anatomy. Yeah. Let's continue this. Which one I already picked, I don't remember. Add the card, I can take a look. Character seems okay-ish. Not, it's fine. With everything there, okay. This one, Cinecam, like Cinecamera in Unity. Case settings such as focus and focus during runtime using shortcuts. Say goodbye to the hassle of sitting and trying to achieve smooth, professional-looking camera movement with Cinecam. You can dive. Right. I would need to test it. Professional, don't forget about it. Add to cart. Next is, oh, that could be useful. I have other assets I could use like that. They fit my project. So professional, add to cart, view cart. Now everything failed or what? No. Okay, so now you can see professional, check out. I did the first, when they switched to Fab, the first one I picked them not professional, so I have some in my library. I need to check the license. I don't know which one. The doggy above me is yapping again. Sorry, I'm reading my emails. Which, okay, it's in the Academy, Indie Game Academy. I listen to the podcast on my phone when I walk. Just listen to them today. Okay, let's go. This is done. This is done. What was the game in Epic? Last game. I think the last one we saw together was long ago, so could take a look too. Last one they announced a free game. I got them. I'll be on online. I remember playing this in like 2015, 16, 18, something like that. And the next one will be Crutchell. So those two are all free right now. Go get them if you would like to play. Okay. Let's continue.
You have a image imported. It's simply this image. I just removed the text to have it not as distracting. And we will be getting some artifacting because this is not normally how the UI element works. We're just going to be having something very, very simple to demonstrate this. Now, to demonstrate this, we will be creating a user widget. This will represent something like our user interface. So we'll call this line slice. Inside of here, we'll create a canvas panel simply for the purpose of being
I will name mine I will name mine because in French we say nommer for name. The verb naming, nommer, nom. Maybe I'm hungry. I will name my folder, my widget. I don't know if you have seen what he did.
Freely move things around. Inside of here, we'll something like our user interface. The UI element works. We're just going to be having something very, very simple to demonstrate this.
It's called a widget. No. You can search widget
something like our user interface. To demonstrate this, we will.
If it goes too fast for you.
Artifacting because this is not normally how the UI element works. We're just going to be having something very, very simple to demonstrate this. Now,
so you can search. There's a search tool above here, but it's the last one. The widget. That's how you do UI in Unreal.
We will be creating a user widget. This will represent something like our user interface. So we'll call this line slide.
So mine would be the name. It comes from Kenny. So I would call it Kenny. Oops. My keyboard. Kenny. And the asset is UI borders. Kenny. UI borders. Oh, that's fine.
Nice. Inside of here, we'll create a canvas panel simply for the purpose of being able.
Canvas panel.
To freely move things around to demonstrate. And we'll take something like an image widget and we'll put it in here, and we'll take something like a
image. Yeah. That's how you. People don't know, but that's the what you do when you do. It's hard to wrap your like it fascinated me. That's really what we do in this kind of job, is looking at tutorials and you see memes about that.
So there are a bunch of different widgets that have the ability.
Image border, and then knowing that you only need to search how someone else has done it, elevate you, like that's a step. I remember the first step, because beforehand I tried to learn programming by reading books about programming. That's not how you start. That's how you want to learn something specific about programming, not programming like the base of programming. So easy when you don't try to remember everything and you just do things.
To actually add images to them as the content. And so in this case we have our 9 slides. We can go to our brush here. We can say put.
Okay, I will put my picture there.
The image brush to be that image.
Mine would be asset 1. Bring back there just for the time of border. I want transparent center. And yeah, this is the one. What does it look like? So I remember there's this tint over it, but I guess you will talk about it.
The image, and for the border we can do the same thing by going to brush image and over here. So
what?
now we both have them here, but they're overlapping, so let's move one of them to the side, like so. Put the add in here, and we'll take something like a border widget. So there are a bunch of different widgets that have the ability to actually add images to them as the content. So in this case we have our 9 slides, we can go to our brush here, we can say put the image brush to be that image, and for the border.
Okay. Okay. Border. Same.
We can do the same thing by going to brush image and over here. So now we both have them here, but they're overlapping, so let's move one of them to the side, like so. So now we can see that this is what they look like. They don't look very nice. They've just gotten a default size of 100 by 30. To have a good reference, we can open up this image and we can see that this is a 322 by 373. So let's make one of these 322 by 373, I think it was.
Okay, mine is panel 0 transparent. Mine is 96 per 96 and 96 size. 96 96 96 96 save.
Yeah, okay, so this here is the intended size for this image. Let's move this one to the side. So this is what it looks like without the artifacting. It's the intended sort of visual appearance. Now, if I were to do something similar to this one, we can see that when I stretch this on the vertical, we can see that the arrows over here, everything in this bar here, everything is stretched vertically, just like I did when I showed it in Paint. And equally, if I were to bring it back to the normal size vertically and then stretch it horizontally, we can see that our edges here get stretched just like it did in Paint. So how do you in Unreal Engine make use of 9 slicing? Well, it's very simple actually. If this is supposed to be our original baseline comparison,
I will think you make the thing is cutting this picture. I don't know how, but doing the template.
We can take this one and we go to our image over here and we say that instead of drawing as an image, we can draw it as a box. And
so this one is the border, and instead. Where did
nothing will appear to happen. And that's because drawing as an image, we can draw a comparison. Yeah. We can take this one.
It's below tint. Draw this as a box.
And we go to our image over here and we say that instead of drawing as an image, we can draw it as a box. And nothing will appear to happen. And that's because the different lines that determine the slices are actually along the edges of the image by default. These are the ones that are determined by the margins here. You can see 0 for the different values here. And how this is represented is these values go from 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, and you can see that we have 4. So just like here, we see we have a top line, we have a right line, we have a bottom line, and we have a left line. And that's what these numbers represent. So the values are, if we take something like this, if we say this top line here, let's say I have a value of 0.1. This is sort of what this represents. So it's 0.1 from the top edge down to where it actually is. If the line instead were to be somewhere here in the middle, then the value for that line would be something along the lines of 0.5. If it was to be something further down, like down here, then it would be 0.7. Down here it would be 1. So the rates of these values is from top 0 and 1 in the bottom. So you want to have your lines sort of probably a little bit from the edges, so you cut off all the parts that you don't want to be stretched. So in this case, if we were to get something like, let's say we try values of 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, and 0.2. Now we have gotten some values here, and we don't really see much of a difference right now. But if we were to stretch horizontally, we can see that it seems to be looking different. We can see, among other things, we can see that the side frame over here now is not being affected. It is staying constant regardless of the size that I'm translating this or scaling it. So that's nice, it looks uniform. We can see that I have happened to cut my line by the inside of these arrows, so they are actually also staying consistent in size regardless of how much I stretch, unlike when if I were to do this one, you can see that the lines or the arrows are getting very stretched. So what you need to do is essentially find places in your image where you can eliminate all the parts that you don't want to have stretched, by setting the margins to proper values for that. If we were to scale upwards and downwards here, you can see that we're still getting things like the equipped here is getting stretched sideways, because that's part of the sideways, the lines here for the borders, for the slice, and that's why it will be stretching, but it won't be stretching when we're doing vertical. This is a little bit of a misrepresentation for this specific element, because you would most likely only have the border that you would be doing this sort of 9 slicing with. Things like the arrows, the equipped, and bars like that afterwards, and this little icon here on top will be things that you would have in the end. Because in this case, for example, you can see here that this is what the square is supposed to be looking like, and as I expand here, this one is getting affected as well. It's because that shouldn't really be part of the 9 splicing method.
I made it. Just while he was talking, I got it. Yes, sir, Miller. Yes, sir, Miller. That was easy. The only thing is this. Let's see what he says more before going further. I think that's
a separate element inside of the UI element that would be our widget in the end. So you need to consider that it's most likely only going to be sort of things like frames, edges, borders, that sort of thing, because you want things like these edge corners here. Those you don't want to have stretched when you scale, because that looks really bad, and you want to have the frames consistent as well. So yeah, that's essentially how you do it in Unreal. It's very simple. You use the draw as box instead. You set your margins to represent your different values to where you want your different lines to be, so that they secure the different parts of the image, so that when you scale it, they don't move, but other parts move. And something to keep in note of as well here is that this allows for stretching, let's say this middle part here. This middle part that was the center square, and the bottom and the top here, these are the ones that are dynamically scaling when we do horizontal changes, which means they can actually go below the intended size as well. So now you can see that there's actually squashing here, and everything for the sides is going to be consistent until we reach a point where the margins together will be the only size that remains. At that part, which happens approximately here, I think, we can see that it actually starts to affect the scaling for those as well. So now you can see, so there is a minimum amount you can stretch something or scale something, which is going to be your combined border. So if you do horizontal, it will be your left and right. If you're doing vertical, it will be your top and bottom. That will be staying consistent until the margins together is what you have remaining as your scaling size, essentially. Then they will start to squash as well. So yeah, that's how line slicing works in Unreal.
Okay. So let's try. What can I do with this? I want to maybe try another transparent border. I would like the one I seen in the. What will it do? This double. Okay, this is not transparent border. Try to get this one. Smack. It's not a transparent border. What? Oh, this one needs to be bigger. Biggie, biggie, biggie. This one too. I don't like them. Those are dividers. Oh, just the border. Like just the tip. Just the border. I want something magical, like maybe this one. So I will just make a little fast break, a few seconds. I'm coming back. Let's put it in pause. Okay, I'm back. So I want to put it in there. This was my old UI I use in my different projects, and I don't like it. I bought it when it was on sale too, but I really hate this UI. So I want to replace it, and let's do this. Little doggy is angry. So body, it's not the footer, it's not this one, it's not this one, it's not this one, it's this one. It is there. I will remove it and remove the tint with the alpha there, and then compile. Oops. So yeah, I need to bring back this. Compile. Okay. Now I want to put it where. So the picture was there. I could put it and how to put it in the background of this one. I would add a picture. No, it's not the picture. I need to add my UMG there. So I would go in Unreal. Don't need this anymore. Down, Unreal. Not this one. Not this one. This one. Oops. It disappeared. Doggy is yapping. Okay, this one. So I need 2. Those are my old files. So I need. The dog is yapping. Okay, he's getting calm. So I want to. Oh no, he's getting at it again. I need to slide my UI, my new UI stuff. This is the old UI I made following another tutorial. If later I could show you. It's a very good tutorial for UI widget. So I can find it there. I will find it by moving this one here and then searching like this. Come on, game menu, model. Yeah, I'm a bit stupid. Yeah, it was Kenny something. But where is it now? I put it in borders, yes. Now I think I don't have the other choice than putting it there. Cannot put it outside. No way. Like it needs to be there. It cannot overlay the other one. So I guess it needs it cannot be there, like it's a background. So I would need another base vertical box, because the border here I want this one to be, I guess it would be like let's see if I compile it, I see it above. I want it to be in the background, and to do that I need to search what I have modified here. What's the result? It's horrible. That's horrible. Something more like that. Yes. The thing is, I don't see it. Why? Because I brought the thing down something. Can it be this? Or wasn't this one? I think yes, it might be this. Last thing is, maybe not. It was the wrong one. Maybe. I still don't see the canny borders. Why? I remember doing this not long ago, playing with this, and I get no result like that. Don't remember why. Oh, what was that? Oh, it's there. It worked. So I built a big fill there. How can I fill it even more? Like up underneath. What did I do last? Not that, of course. I think it's in there. No? No, maybe not. It needs to go underneath to fill up everything. The offset, maybe. Let's try this. Okay, offset bottom. There's some anchor, full anchor. Size to content. Let's try this. Let's compile and see the result. The doggy is yapping. Okay, that's not fine. That's not what I want. I want it in the background. So I guess I would need to move the array, the row, I mean. If I find it, is there a row in there? This is vertical bugs, so it's only in term, there are no row in there, I guess. I would need to create another one, which is looking at the result, and I think I need to, yeah, I think I get it now. I need to slide them inside there, but I can't. This was done in the tutorial, so I don't remember which one. It's one of the UI system. I can find it eventually and show you. Was a good tutorial. Base vertical bugs is vertical bugs, so we'll search vertical bugs. Put it inside. No, I can't. I did it. Just a few minutes ago. It was underneath, so it might not be that difficult. I was playing with the offsets, so maybe the bottom offset is like larger than yeah, but the issue is that I'm still stuck with this space there. Maybe should replace the anchor. Now it's small. No. Maybe this one. No. Nope. Maybe this one. Oh, I need to do this. Damn. Size Y? Size Y? What does it mean? Size to content. Okay. I need the green box to be smaller with my canvas panel. Like I would need it to be very small. Like that. Didn't work. Didn't work at all. So the offset bottom offset set right. I lost the bottom offset. Yeah, I lost it though. Oh no, it's there. Maybe. Offset right, offset Y. Okay. Doesn't work. Does it work? It works, but it disappears. You see it disappear, so it might not be the right right way to do this. Let's try this. Yeah, it goes back there. Maybe I need to do it there and remove this. Let's try this then. I would copy this border and there, and delete the Kenny Roger saxophonist. Didn't work. Delete this and paste the whole thing, and then bring everything inside this. Now that's messed up. No, that's that mess. I don't need the canvas panel. Do I need it? Do I need it? Maybe I can cut this and delete the vertical box, because messes around. Place this inside, yes. The vertical bugs. I want it to be restrained in there. Yeah, I can't restrain it. Compile. How does it look like? It seems to be broken now. Because I need them inside this. And it doesn't want to.
Alcoholic background. You said cheap viewers on streamboo.com. Remove the space at
Oh, I'm tired. I don't want to go and ban the butt. I just need to make this work. I made a menu, but I don't want you to see it yet. So I need it to be a certain size. Everything down to that size. Seems to work a little bit. The issue is that I lost my vertical bugs. Yeah, I lost my vertical bugs. Need to bring it back. So it's a body slot first. What is a body slot? It's a vertical bugs. Oh, it's there. Yeah, that's an issue. I cannot bring it inside. Maybe I could bring this in there instead. And then I would delete this one. So it's a brush. Is it only in there? Is it possible to have it? It's I don't think so. Border appearance brush. No. Nope. Yeah, it's I can. Maybe like that. Oops. It broke. No. It doesn't like that the body slots are there. It needs to be inside this. Then this one is fine. Anchor.
Stream Elements asks the Drevens is now live. Streaming software and game development. Should you start with your dream game?
Who's asking? Let me see the chat. Stream Element. Oh, I should ban Stream Element, even though it's a software I use. I banned it in the other. How do I do this? This needs to be bigger. Compile, okay. This needs to be bigger. Oh damn. I think not. It would be this big, fitting size to content. Okay. So the issue is that I need a vertical box inside the body slot. Apply. Oh, everything's on. Then maybe everything's gone. Control Z then. Yeah, I would need to restart this because it broke. How can I do this? Oh, you hear the dog. My filter doesn't work. NVIDIA broadcast maybe. Noise removal. Is it? No, you shouldn't hear the doggy. Damn. Poor you, man. You heard the doggy yapping all day, all night, every day, every night. Yup. Okay, I didn't save, so I'm back there. And the issue now is that this is not everywhere. It should be it should be vertical box. What is the vertical box? Okay, that's everything, it seems. Control Z. So the thing is that the square there stop at this one. So I guess that this one should be like this. Ish, clibidish. Like this. Almost. Like this. No. Nope. 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 Okay. So it maybe fit size content. Yes. Now next editor, I think I would change the change the little monkey there. Not a monkey, but you will see it soon enough. I want him to be no padding. No padding. Bottom padding. You don't see him, but I will show you. I will try to show you eventually. So like -10 lower. Let's go deeper. -20. Let's go deeper. -60. More like it. I want this to be centered. We'll show you soon. Really soon. I will show you really soon. Compile. So I don't want this. I want to find the icons. Control S. Compile. This is done. I could use another border. A cooler, trendier border. Like this one. Oosh, lupurush. I lost something there. It's larger than life. I think it's larger. Why didn't they do like a scroll? Something scrolling. Something is scrolling. Oop. What happened? What happened? I typed 1, enter. So nothing going to 1. Oh yeah, of course the 1 is... That's not how it works. Not 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Where is it? It's a border. It's not 1, it's like 0.3. Oh, there we go. I don't like it. Now it's Cariku. It's not good. Maybe slightly transparent. But the issue is that I don't like it. Let's try this one. Oh, it's not large enough. But that looks kind of good because of that. Because of this part. Looks kind of good. Let's see. Oh, it's large like that. Let's see others. This one. Let's try to make it slightly alpha downish. I don't know. I'm lost. I lost it. Border. Fine. Show me. Maybe a panel would be better. What the F happened? Does it need to be bigger? Something like this. Thing is, it's weird. There's a part that is longer. It's too large, maybe. It's as if it needs to be in between both worlds. It's too far. They are too far, both too far. I think that's it. Maybe. Oh no, it's way too large. Let's try 0.35. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Yeah, the bottom is weird. Let's try this one. Because when I lower it, I think that's it. Like the two. This one needs to be some kind of floor if we play. Don't. Oh, the square is at the center. Okay. So they need this to be low, like until this stretch. Something like that. The root 30. It needs to be around this. 0.30. I think. Doesn't seem to. Compile. Let's see the result. It's weird. Maybe it's meant to be in white. Or did I change the color? There. Oh. Oops. There. Oh, where did I made it black? It's in the border. I don't remember. It has to be there somewhere. I need to look at this. It's not the same. Oops. What is this? I don't know what this means. It's alien writing something. Oh, brush color. Let's bring it white to see the original idea. Okay. Yeah, I don't like it. Which one? This one. Apply. Let's see the results. I closed it. Funny. It's really funny. UI widget. Oh no, you've seen my menu. My tutorial I did. I will show you eventually. I did a couple tutorials for this to mix them together and have this result. So let's do this. It was brush color. Let's bring it dark. And then alpha down. I want it to be smaller than the actual box. So we need to add a panel like this. Why can't we pump the number like in Unity? Maybe it's like that. Let's try. Does not work. How can I do this? Offset? Yes. I want an offset of like something like 30. Maybe on each. Let's try this. Less transparent. Okay. Now I want icons. I want to modify my buttons with another one like that. The button widget button. Oh. Good evening. Okay, I will take a little break. I come back in 15 minutes. Break. do this. Oh, I will just come back. Okay. So now I want to bring this border in my button. Remove the old background I hate. It's there. I'll show you soon once it will be over. It's supposed to be there. Why can I? Brush. Appearance. None of that. Button. None. Okay, I can see now. I think this is it. So just need to find the background, and why can I? There's no pictures. Appearance, no pictures. Oh. Okay, I think that's the one. We'll save. I will delete the picture and bring the border in. Delete the block and then border. Okay, I will slide this in the border. That's that I can only have one thing. Button, compile. Oops, I will show you then. So I cannot put the button in there. I will compile. Nope. Even more. Even more nope. Bring back the picture. I will delete it. Okay, I need an image. I cannot. So I will go back, design until I have the image. There, and I will remove this image because it's ugly. Maybe this one will do. Compile. Image. I can do none. Maybe. Clear. And then for now it will be clear because I would need to do something. So I will pick. Where is it? Panel. I will copy again border and add it there without this thing. Now the picture is back. I will change it. Something else. Here's the button. No, it's fine. Compile. Doesn't want to. Oh, it's bind. It's binded in the code. Oh. No. Search reference by name. Yeah, refresh. Okay. I think I would need to break a link in the blueprint widget. There, compile. error. It's would need to skip it. Oh, it's fine. I have my button. I can compile. Yes, it works. Now, sorry not to show you, I will show you a little bit more. This will be my menu, but I want to change the letters from the tutorial. Because this main menu I made it with the from a tutorial, and some stuff in there are from the tutorial, so I don't want them inside my project. The bottom was this, and this one was no base text. The background image will be removed with clear and compile. Now I need to remove the alpha. Oops. And then border. I want the button and the thing is that you don't see, it's the overlay. Performance rendering, margin, no, it's the image. Yeah, the image needs to go away. Oops. And the border. Now, if I look at the border needs to expand, I think, like this. It needs to be white. Maybe my music was too loud. Oh, Diex join and left. Maybe the music was too loud. It's a bit too white. Maybe something more grayish. I can show you the result there. I have nothing to end, no handle to grab this window. Okay, so let's see. Now it's the brush, something more like this. A little bit. I feel like it. Now I need like a play button. I don't want to use I don't want to use letters. I don't want to use words because you need localization when you use words. I want to use an icon or something, and I have a lot of them. Like Kenny had. Let's search in free asset. Then my computer went calm as I bring down every window. Oh, the fans are off. It's in there. Probably a lot of UI. Fantasy UR Birder. This is the one I put in. Game icons. PNGs. My Windows is light, so it doesn't show the thumbnails. I want to see the preview. Is it good? Is there a play button? No play button. File sheet. This is for Unity tile sheet. Icons. Board game. Why did I keep that? Oh, it can be useful. Game icons. Is there a play button? Fast forward. No play button there. That could be this one. Game icon expansion. There's a mouse. Mouse is a bit like a shield, too much like a shield to be very useful. Wider, nope. Input prompt, overview, preview, many more. Input prompt, icons, nope. It might be useful if I decide to add a controller. So I had one there. For the start, is there settings? Yes. I think I had the other UI stuff there. We downloaded yesterday. Inventory, no. I don't think we can get better than what we had. RPG icon, oh yeah, maybe. Full sheets, nope, none of that. I think there's like, I think this one, let's see the others. File, nope. Nope. Positron, steampunk, I don't think so. Oh yeah, it's this one. It's a PSD. I would need to, but I don't think I will pick this one. It's not good looking. But I have a save. Setting icon. No play icon. Keep it in mind. I will keep it in mind. ST hatchet, let's see. Icons. PDF. Play button. So there is this one, but yeah, it's a bit boring. Where are they? There. Save. Okay, is there another one? Free icon collection. Oh, the big one. Yeah, that's a hard pick now. Hard pick. Another one. Yeah, those are cool. I could use them too. I don't think it will work the same because the little dots there will be stretched. With the technique we just saw. Hard choice. I will go with the first one we saw. Don't remember. There is this one. What did it the team hard to tell. Scene. Hard to tell. Maybe. I need to deactivate the other ones. This one. This one. Then compile. Play. No, it didn't work. New game is enabled. It's visible. How do I make them dead? Really invisible, because this is not invisible. I think I used them in my graph. Maybe that's why. This is from the tutorial. It's a really good tutorial I will need to give you. It's how to do a system, a UI system in Unreal. But I don't know if this is the exact title. But yeah, it's a really good system, free, that you have for free for anything you want to use. No, I closed it. So how do I deactivate those errors? It's not there, it's there. It's there. I want to deactivate completely deactivate those. Button maybe is focusable. Let's try. Nope. I will add it. Okay. I remember there's a way to hidden. They should make this into a checkbox. If it's, yeah, it's the way to do it. You should make it into a hitbox because it's hard to find. Hidden completely. Okay, that's not quite like it. I don't want the name slot anymore. I think I use it in the graph. Yeah. Okay, compile, back to designer. Oh, I want this one, I don't want this one. So I would put it self only hidden. Then this one I will itself only. Apply and then continue. Name slot. The name slot has no name, it's picked by someone else. Find by name. Continue button. Okay. The name slot. Let's search with even graph into menu developer. Okay, no, I don't remember where it is set in the name slot. Let's search with you. What can I do then? It's hidden. Name slot. Text. Okay, it's there. I want to remove the text. Will be button. Button. So I think I need to go into base button and deactivate the name slot. Since I won't have anymore, I don't want to use text. So this tutorial made me use it. No. I don't want to delete it and break stuff. Maybe this. Nope. Name slot is there, so it has to be something there. Okay, it's there, and this is base button. I could look at my name here. So if I had to, like, it uses the word to align the box. Compile with errors. Self. I don't know. It's not compatible. Maybe because I changed too much things. Designer button, name slot. I think I will restart and not save the other or revert. So how to revert this when you are on Git, but then you can go revert by clicking the revert there or by entering the command in the git bash. This one was a W. Button. Yeah, I cannot. I could have broke everything now. Come on. Base button. Are you there? Seems to have disappeared. It's there, it works. It's not broken anymore. Let's see. There is supposed to be here. Compile maps play. Okay, I lost many things. I lost those settings there. Which was hidden. Oh, the value is there. Hidden. And then continue is there, so if I remove it, there will be button. So something takes the label there and put it in the name slot. So I will search my name. Compile. Name slot maybe. Name. Maybe it's in there. Nope. Yeah, that's here. It's here that it takes the name slot, it puts... Oh, it's a set vertical, no it's a... Oh. Maybe there's another one. This is... a label there. So I would need to change this. What I will do is instead I don't want text in my base text. No, that's not right. Base button is broken. This one is the... This one is UI widget. Okay, it's not the one I use. I can close it. This is base button, the label there. Update text inside there. So I guess that if I don't want text in my game, do this. Why do I have this error and this one that is in my... It's not in use in my game. It's not in use. Reference viewer. As all of this, no one use it, I will delete it. Maybe. I just need to... Because if I kept it, it means that there's something in there that I want to keep. So I will just break everything that's problematic. Because it's a code, it's a blueprint that is in the file and developer file, and when you put things in there, it means you want to keep them for later. Because there's something you did in there that you want to reuse. But I don't remember what it is. It's been a long time. So what I see is that I lost something there by cutting this. what I see is that I lost the... Oh no, I didn't lose it. I will get this. I would need to do a button with text if I want. I need to leave something that say why is it. Oops. No, I don't want to delete it. Button. No, without text. So I know. For later. Alligator. Base button. Designer. And this blast thing. It's a border I want. Not this blast. Not the bottom, it's not this one, it's not this one, it's not... It's this. What is it? Why did I lost my border? Because this is the base button, and what I'm looking for is the base button. Where is my picture? UI assets, pictures, no. Third party, third person, no. UI, can I reform default double? I want something. A panel. But working. Brush. Color. That's not. It was the border. Brush picture in the border. Overlay. I see it now. So the overlay is blasting something white. There. That was weird. Border. Now, why is it alpha-ish? There. It's the old button. Now it's all broken. Let's bring back the text. I see it. Button. So something was lost in translation. Border. Okay, I think it rewrites it for the somewhere. Trying to find empty border, game menu, border, article. Something went and replaced it, removed it from there. Let's go. Let's try it again. Let's see, it will remove it. Yes. So it's in the construction, maybe. Construction file. I would need to create a new one, maybe. So, for getting too deep into it, I will close it and revert the button, the base button again, and create another one. Base button, scuttle button. I think I will go soon because I'm tired already. Yeah, I will go now even, but yeah, I will do this. It's a bit yeah, I need to find what was this let me see in my old browser if I can download bookmark programming game video game Unreal Android Engine Unreal menu map landscape plugin editor the blueprint. Grid object pool space. Multiplayer, no. Where is it? Nav mesh grid. Spaceship controls, shader. Book. Where is it? Rendering Unreal Engine project file and ally material. Okay, I would try to find elsewhere then. Where did I have this? Personal job. Whole job, no. Unreal. I'm getting there. Blender rig. UI panel pop-ups, yes, that's the one. So if you want, it's this guy. And what I have, like my widget you've seen. What I did is follow this tutorial, which is a long tutorial. So you go to this guy. Wonder if he's still doing, yeah, he's still doing stuff. It's one of the best. This guy, I think. Playlist, then UI, and you create a whole UI system with pop-ups. So all the button you've seen, I think it's this one. Yeah, it's the third one. So it's exactly what I did. My menu there, it's the same thing. So yeah, it makes you create the full system for your UI and how it renders, and it's very good. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Damn, I didn't play the outro.